Hey, our site is ready. We've used almost all Sketch tools and features to create a professional website. Now we're going to review the elements and export them so that the programmers can work with them. But before exporting them, we need to make sure they are okay, perfect, to avoid unwanted issues later on. When I refer to perfect, I actually mean pixel perfect. What is it? Let's go to the social networks icons of the About Me section. When I select one of them, its properties are shown in the Inspector panel. If we have a look at the size, it says, at least mine, it has 42 and 42, and the position 60 for the x-axis and 2045 for the y. Although these properties may be different, like for instance, 42.3 and 42.3 instead. And this, guys, is a problem. Let's zoom in a lot. I'm not sure if it can be appreciated. As you can see, this is the edge of the shape. However, this grid is over here. So when exporting the object, the size won't be 42.3 but 43. So that extra pixel is because of this 0.3. Why is it a problem, you may ask? Well, this shape isn't perfectly aligning. And the problem lies in the anti-aliasing feature in Sketch, which softens the edges of those objects which aren't pixel perfect. So, if we click on the option Show Pixels in the toolbar, what happens? As it wasn't pixel perfect, the curve has become a softer line. If we export this object as JPG or PNG file, the softened edges will be visible, and also this extra softening, which is a consequence of those extra pixels we added. Therefore, our social network button won't be sharp and clear enough. Let's change again the size to 42. See what happens? As it adjusts now to the grid, the edge is straight and the anti-alias doesn't appear anymore. This is why I insist on checking all the elements before exporting them to avoid stuff like that and get the best quality possible. And now you're probably thinking, oh damned, I have to correct almost all the objects. Well, I have good news. There's a tool that you'll find inside the Arrange menu, which is Round to Pixel. It's disabled because we changed the width and height and now it's pixel perfect. But if we set it at 42.3 and click on Round to Pixel, it will adjust the size and the position, if necessary, and align the object to the grid. See? So guys, at the end of the lesson, have a look at all the objects and make sure they are properly aligned to the grid. If not, correct them with the Round to Pixel option. Pay attention to the following. Do not round to pixel certain elements like icons, logos, and complex shapes. Let's see what happens if I round to pixel the Twitter icon, which has a 19.24 width. What happens? After rounding them, the curves and paths have been altered considerably, and it looks weird, right? Ugly. So, except from this, the rest should be rounded to pixels. Great. After checking that all the elements are well aligned and pixel perfect, let's have a last look at the objects before exporting them. Let's enter presentation mode by pressing Command and Dot. Once in the presentation mode, the toolbar, panels, and menus disappear. And now we just have a canvas where we can navigate, scroll, scale up and down without any distractions. To return to the previous view, press again Command and Dot and just keep working. When you're ready, let's export our design. See you in the next video. Bye guys!